Headlight repair, a step-by-step guide. Headlights are crucial for safe driving, especially at night and during adverse weather conditions. Over time, headlights can become foggy, yellowed, or damaged. Here's a comprehensive guide to headlight repair, covering both restoration and replacement. 1. Assess the problem. Before starting the repair, determine whether the headlight needs cleaning, restoration, or full replacement. Foggy or yellowed headlights, caused by oxidation or UV damage. Cracked or broken headlight, requires replacement of the headlight assembly. Dim headlights, may need bulb replacement or electrical troubleshooting. Headlight restoration. For foggy or yellowed headlights, restoration is often a quick and effective solution. Materials needed. Headlight restoration kit contains sandpaper, polish, and sealant. Masking tape. Microfiber cloths. Spray bottle with water. Gloves, optional. Steps. Clean the headlight. Wash the headlight with soap and water to remove surface dirt. Dry thoroughly with a microfiber cloth. Mask the area. Use masking tape to protect the paint around the headlight. Wet sanding. Start with coarse sandpaper, example 1000 grit, and wet the headlight and sandpaper. Sand the headlight in a horizontal or vertical motion. Keep the surface wet to prevent scratches. Progress to finer sandpaper, example 2000 grit, then 3000 grit, for a smoother finish. Polishing. Apply the headlight polish to a clean microfiber cloth. Rub the polish onto the headlight in a circular motion. Continue until the headlight appears clear. Apply sealant. Once the headlight is polished, apply a sealant or UV protectant to prevent future oxidation. Follow the product instructions for best results. Headlight replacement. For cracked or broken headlights, replacement is necessary. Materials needed. New headlight assembly. Screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead. Socket set and ratchet. Gloves. Owner's manual, for specific instructions. Steps. Remove the old headlight. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the headlight bulb. Remove any screws or clips holding the headlight assembly in place. Carefully pull the headlight assembly out of the vehicle. Install the new headlight. Position the new headlight assembly in place. Secure it with screws or clips removed earlier. Reconnect the electrical connectors. Test the headlights. Turn on the headlights to ensure they are working correctly. Adjust the beam alignment if necessary. Troubleshooting dim headlights. If the headlights are dim, the problem might be with the bulbs or the electrical system. Steps. Check the bulbs. Replace the headlight bulbs if they appear dim or burnt out. Inspect electrical connections. Ensure all connectors are secure and free of corrosion. Check the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the headlights. Test the alternator. A weak alternator can cause dim headlights. Test the alternator and replace it if necessary. Maintenance tips. Regular cleaning. Clean the headlights regularly to prevent dirt buildup. Apply protective coating. Use a UV protectant or headlight sealant every few months to protect against oxidation. Check alignment. Ensure headlights are properly aligned to avoid blinding other drivers and to improve visibility. Conclusion. Proper headlight maintenance and repair are essential for safe driving. Whether restoring foggy lenses or replacing damaged assemblies, following these steps can ensure your headlights remain clear and functional. Always consult your vehicle's owner manual for specific instructions and safety precautions.